Good morning, everyone. So today we've come to a place called Praia da Luz. This is our hotel behind us. We're not allowed to check in yet. We thought we'd be able to do a early check-in, so we just left our bags there. That is called Praia da Luz. I'll probably give you a room tour later on because it's supposed to be really nice. So since we're waiting, we're just going to go for a walk around this village. I think it's a village anyway, a small one, and yeah, check out the beach. I think we're pretty close.
Yeah.
So we're at the main beach here at Praia da Luz, very close. It was only like a 5-minute walk probably from our hotel. So we came here last year, right? But yeah, for an hour maybe?
Yeah, we didn't really explore the city, so that's why we came back, and we liked what we saw last year, so we decided to come back. And yeah, I think we walked the
cliff. Yeah, huge cliffs back there. Yeah. But we walked from the other side, from a different place.
So this time we're gonna climb this part here.
Yeah, I think later once we check in, we're gonna walk up that cliff there. You get some amazing views from the top. Actually a bigger beach than what I remembered though. Loads of waves here and there's people surfing. Didn't know you'd have surfers around here. Yeah, it's really nice though. And I remember saying last time that this is like the sidewalk at Copacabana in Brazil, in Rio. The exact same designs, these like swirls. Really nice. And I remember last time we came here, there's some Roman ruins, but we couldn't really look at them. For some reason, it wasn't open last time, and I don't think it's open today. Yeah, so this sign says it's Roman ruins from the 3rd and 5th centuries. And I think it was found in the 19th century. But yeah, it's completely locked. It's a shame. I wouldn't have mind seeing what was up there. So we have these cool rocks to walk along at the end of the beach. Oh, you can see that guy just caught a wave. Oh, that's a good wave. This guy's going now as well. Oh, he didn't get it. Yeah, there's literally surfers everywhere around here. We came to this part last time as well. The old church is back there, and there's a fort over there that is now a hotel, I think. So yeah, we'll get close to that soon. So this is the fort that I was talking about. I thought it was a hotel, but it might actually be a restaurant. Fortaleza da Luz, Restaurante 1670. Wow, it looks really nice inside the fort. So yeah, everyone's sat there right on the coast. Yeah, maybe we could eat there.
Yeah, so the price is expensive.
It's expensive, yeah, I imagine. So we just come to one of those nice snack bar restaurants on the sidewalk. Get some awesome views here. And we got these sandwiches, smoked salmon sandwich, right?
Yeah.
How does that look inside? Where's the smoked salmon? Oh, it's this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How much was that? The menu is the table.
It's
Smoked salmon,
yeah.
€6 each. It's good. I like it because it has Philadelphia cheese.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Just a quick snack anyway. And this place is really cool. We didn't know it was such like a surfer vibe here. Lots of Americans here as well, because everywhere else it seems to be more like English.
Yeah, or French.
Yeah.
But here, we've heard many Americans already.
Yeah, lots of Americans, lots of American surfers as well out there. Alright, so we're gonna check into our hotel now. It's actually an apartment hotel, so we're in an apartment. Looks really beautiful though, look at these buildings.
Yeah, I like the color.
Yeah, the color, like a light orange color. Looks pretty fancy. So this place is called Praia da Luz, and it was $65 per night. I think that's because we're in the low season and COVID. I am pretty sure this place would be way more than that in a normal season. And we've actually come here because it's mine and Carol's wedding anniversary tomorrow. So we decided to come today, and then we can like film and do stuff, and then tomorrow we'll just relax and not really do much, but that's why we came here. And I think it's way better than we even expected, right?
Yeah, we choose a nice room, but it's even better than we expected because we didn't know if we were gonna have a view or no.
Yeah, so we have this nice balcony area here where we can eat. And yeah, look at this place. This guy in a parachute coming down there. I don't know if you can see him. And we're going to be walking up this cliff soon once we've settled down in here. It's going to be quite a walk. Beautiful hotel though, apartment hotel.
Yeah, I think they gave us because we
because
told them that it's our anniversary.
yeah, we told them in the email, so yeah, that's awesome treatment. We're drinking that later on. All right, oh, really nice, big modern kitchen. How is this $65? I don't get it.
Yeah, it's a very nice deal. I think it's because it's low season and COVID time.
Yeah, it must be. Yeah, so really nice bedroom here. And then we don't even know what's upstairs, but yeah, it's 2 floors. I had no idea that there was 2 floors as well. Did you know that?
Yeah, I knew.
Oh, Carol knew. Oh my god. Gets better and better. There's like a whole other house. Oh, you even have a balcony here.
Yeah, if you want to
Holy moly.
Sunbathe.
Yeah, so you got your little sunbathing chairs here. We're right on top of the rooftop now. Even better views. As usual, when it's good, it's a Carol selection. So she chose an awesome place once again. So yeah, I think we're just gonna rest here for like 5 minutes only. We want to enjoy the sun while it's still out there and climb up that cliff that you saw. So we're beginning the hike now. We're already tired and we're only 5 minutes into it. This part's like a proper road, and that's Praia da Luz there behind us. So last time we came from the other side, and that was like gradually going up like this, but on this side it's like really steep. You're gonna see. You can already see how steep this part is here. Should have a car, then we could have just drove to this part.
Yeah, last time we didn't have to go back and go to the other side.
Yeah, my dad picked us up here.
Yeah, so we did the hardest part, the easy way.
Yeah, the easy way.
Down.
Yeah, we only came down here. So we're just walking along the top of the cliffs now. Gonna be heading towards the other beach that we were at last time. I think it's called Ponto de Mars. I don't think we're gonna go all the way there, but we'll get to a point where we can see it. And this part's really cool. So on Google Maps it's called, I think, Rocha Negra, which means black rock, because all of a sudden the cliffside turns into this black rock part. Kind of bizarre. Cool mixture of different colors though. Yeah, so this cliff just goes on and on. I think it was about 40 minutes, right, to the next spot?
The whole walk?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, super windy, right?
Wow.
Look at this. So this is where the white cliffs start. Hopefully you can hear me. It's super windy. But that is a long way down. Probably the highest cliffs we've seen in the Algarve.
It's a lot higher than the other ones that we already think it's high, but this one is...
Yeah, the other orange ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is way higher. So I think this is as far as we're gonna go. Just down there in the far corner is the other beach, Ponto de Mars. And on this part of the beach here, you can actually see there's people. They're like ants from all the way up here. And it's pretty cool, all the way in the background, you can actually see Portimão, where my parents live, way back there. So it's not that far really. And this right here is Lagos. It's called Ponta da Piedade. It's one of the famous spots in the Algarve, so you could actually walk there if you really wanted to. It's not that far. Oh, there's a guy down here right now surfing. The solitary surfer. And it's getting cold now. That's the thing, it's good weather when the sun's out, but the moment the sun goes away, it's freezing.
Especially here that's windy.
Yeah, and it's November. Yeah, but we've been super lucky anyway. We didn't expect to be going out so much in November. Like a t-shirt and short weather even in November, so yeah, you can't complain about that. So it's actually the next day now. I forgot to close this video out yesterday. Today we didn't do much because the weather wasn't so great. We just went on a little walk, but it started raining. But we did go to the restaurant here just now in this apartment hotel complex. An Italian restaurant with super delicious Italian food. So yeah, that was good. So I think in the next video we're gonna be heading to Lagos, which is right nearby here. We're gonna spend the day exploring that place, so stay tuned for that. If you like the video, just drop a like to support us, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.